THC Detox. Marijuana is one of the most commonly used drugs in the United States, especially popular to teenagers and other people who cannot afford to buy other designer drugs. Since it is relatively cheaper and can easily be passed on from one person to another, despite the influx of other illicit drugs, marijuana is still predominantly used up until today. Tetrahydro Cannabinol, or better known as THC, is an identified active toxin that can be found in marijuana. It falls under the category of neuro-toxin, or in layman's term, a poison that can severely poison a person's nerve cells. Aside from this, THC can also act like a virus, capable of changing the person's nerve and any other cells it infests, which mean it has mutation capabilities. If this isn't startling enough, THC detox can be very difficult to achieve since the cannabinols are easily absorbed in the person's body fats, and will eventually break down and causes the toxins to leak into the blood. This is the reason why people who are addicted to marijuana experience extreme cravings and develop problems in maintaining focus and have very short attention span. The said toxin can also trigger a host of other health complications such as rapid heartbeat, paranoia, speech problems, and steep decline of the person's health. To be able to diminish the ill effects of this particular type of substance abuse, there are actually a lot of THC detox products that are available in the market today, such as detoxifying drinks and detox pills, hair follicle detox fluid. However, there are some natural remedies available for people who would want to flush out the harmful toxins in the body. Ordinary THC detox home remedies would include drinking a lot of cranberry juice and water, and at the same time engage in some strenuous physical activities to sweat out other toxins that are still in the body. A lot of people who are addicted to certain substances have no clear knowledge as to the extent of damage they needlessly inflict in their bodies. Although they know that is bad for their health, they don't really think far enough to mull over the consequences of taking drugs. Any THC detox product is not enough to thoroughly eliminate the traces and residues of the toxins, nor can it reverse the side effects, especially for long-time users. The best thing that it can be is to flush out the toxic waste, but the lingering after effects are that taking marijuana will be a long-term burden for the abuser.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.